Just pulled out the spaceship, new whip crustacean. These rims ain't basic, stage wheels Caucasian. Flip whips for the facelift, keep a fleet at the space station.
What's up, YouTube? This is SH-AWD back with another video. So today was welding day. Went through a few revisions on this intercooler kit. Now this is the prototype. So I'm just trying to make sure I get everything right on this thing. So right now we got this welded. This is going to be a coupler. Then there's going to be a 45-degree coupler right there, which it is. And then that's welded there. And then that's all for the hot side, so then that goes into the bottom there. So now we got for the cold side is perfect, you know what I'm saying? So we got this coming from the blow-off valve pipe and throttle body. So I got this section right here welded. This is going down here to the little coupler right there. And then I have this joint welded and then that joint welded. Don't worry about the stacked welds. I'm going to clean all of that up with my grinder, get it all nice and smooth looking. But yeah, man, this is the front mount intercooler. Now what I do want to do is I do want to raise this up. I do want to raise the intercooler up so that the core is higher up, so that we can get max cooling, because I still got about like 2 inches of, I still have 2 inches of the core down into the crash bar, so I kind of want to raise this up. Yeah, man, so pretty much done with it. And then I just got someone to make a purchase the other day on the group buy. So what I'm going to do is in the description, it's going to take you, I'm going to put both Facebook groups of the RDX up. There's one RDX group which I'm a moderator on. That is First Gen Acura RDX group on Facebook, and then the other one is Acura RDX owners, stock and modified. So I'm gonna have the link to both Facebook groups in the description. So make sure you join that group, and you can send me a message. Hey man, this is so and so, because they're private groups, and we don't just let anybody in because we keep on getting a bunch of bots and stuff joining and trying to scam people. So just make sure you join in and say that you are a follower of the SH-AWD YouTube channel, and then I'll make sure to go ahead and add you. But of course you gotta, you gotta put in the add, put in the join, and then send me a request saying, hey man, I'm trying to join, here's my name, blah blah blah. Anyway, so yeah man, so I'm gonna put this together, gonna put everything together, get it started up, run for a little bit, see how I do. Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back. Basically got everything bolted down, got all the clamps and stuff tightened. One last thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm going to have to bead these parts of these ends of the pipes, which is nothing. And then that's pretty much it, man. Just like, everything else is welded and properly clamped with beads and stuff like that. So that's the only thing that's not beaded. All right, so Yeah, man, she's looking good. I'm about to put the front bumper on and drive her around real quick, see how she does with the welded setup. Yeah, man, so just took it on a little drive, even played with a turbo 5.0 or a turbo 4.6 Mustang. It was the generation before the new Edge. I don't like those body styles, but that dude built his up, man. He got a nice little drag pack, and you can hear that turbo spooling on it. It was not supercharged, that thing was turbo. But anyway, this is my front mount intercooler kit. It's pretty much done. Like I said, I just got to do a few more little adjustments to it. And honestly, I'm probably gonna go bigger intercooler. Because I feel like, one, the intake air temperature isn't at where it can be. I mean, yeah, it definitely cools down while it's driving. But another thing, I feel like my mount sensor is not in a good place. It's right over this intake manifold, right over the engine, so it's getting like a lot of the heat. When I can put it like right here, and it'll probably get better readings. But we'll see. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this video together. Sorry it's taking me so long, and also I had a lot of stuff coming up, and I had to delete a lot of the videos that I did record off my phone, because my phone storage was going bad and there was nowhere for me to back it up at. So there's that too. So yeah, man, there'll be more videos to come. I want to get it to the point where I'm ready to paint it, because I do not like this, this silver or polished or whatever look. I don't like it. It does stand out, but that's not what I like to do. Now, the only thing that I will be keeping is I will keep the intercooler silver. That is one thing that I do want to be seen, but under the hood, I kind of like the whole black going on, so I'm just gonna keep that energy going. But yeah, man, this is J Mizzle 24. Make sure to like, subscribe, share it to other RDX owners if you know, first gen owners. And yeah, man, till the next time, deuces.